Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create this cinematic color isolation effect with a slow zoom in DaVinci Resolve. So let's get started. First, start by duplicating your clip, hold Alt, then click and drag the clip to create a second layer above. Now we'll remove all the colors from the background. Select the bottom clip in the Color tab and then reduce the saturation to 0 to make it black and white. Next, select the top clip and go to Fusion and click the Polygon Mask tool to begin isolating the object. Temporarily disable the polygon mask and carefully draw an outline around the object you want to isolate. When you're done, reconnect to the starting point to close the mask. Now, re-enable the polygon mask. Then, it's time to add a smooth zoom in effect to make the scene more dynamic. Click the keyframe button next to zoom and position at the starting frame. Then, move the timeline slider ahead a few seconds, then increase the zoom to 1.2. You can also adjust the position slightly for a cinematic effect. Then play the video and make sure that everything looks smooth and natural. And that's it. You've successfully created a slow zoom color isolation effect in DaVinci Resolve. This feature works best in Studio. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.